The librarian and 4 youths flee to the abandoned underground library. While they hide in the library, the young users help reassemble the library contents. They learn the order and purpose of book parts, the title page, the copyright page, the table of contents, and the alphabetical index. At the user base, a magnetic force interrupts all electronic communication. The base is held captive beneath the Wiper's magnetic shield.
"247, Elder Tesla. 247, Elder Tesla. This is Colonel Holon. Come in."
Elder Tesla, from our preliminary reconnaissance, the base appears physically unharmed. However, movement beyond the innermost barricade is severely obstructed by an extreme polarized force.
As I suspected, we are being held captive by the Wiper's one and only invention, the magnetic shield. We are surrounded by it.
Do you have further orders?
Continue regular surveillance of base exterior. This base is under siege.
What are you doing awake?
I cannot keep my eyes closed. So much is strange. This place, the librarian.
It is the same for me. My thoughts run in circles. What are the Wipers up to? Why is it no longer possible to communicate with the base?
Have you tried lately?
Yes, with no results. It's as though all the frequencies are blocked.
It's working.
247, emergency, emergency. This is Colonel Holon. Please respond.
Father, Aphos here.
Your signal is weak. Where are you?
We are underneath the earth in a vault filled with books.
Underground vault. Are you safe?
Yes, Father. Are you at the transmitter?
No. The transmitter has been destroyed by Wipers. I barely escaped. I've lost contact with the base. The Wipers have attacked all our bases.
We can no longer communicate with the base either.
If you're safe and hidden, stay where you are. I will get to you. But I escaped with no equipment. Do you have your navigational computer?
I lost it on the way here, Father.
How can I locate the book vault?
Without navigational assistance, it will take me many lunans to get to you, and I have no food or shelter.
Aphos, perhaps we can help him.
One moment, Father. In what way?
We have maps in this library and information about the entire region. Find out as best you can where your father is and ask him to contact us again shortly.
Father, describe your approximate position.
From what you tell me, apparently your transmitter was located here, on the star-set south side of the Singing River Valley. It is some distance from here. Dundee, bring me the card catalog with the guide card for the Singing River Valley.
Who's Dundee? What's a card catalog?
Oh, I forgot. Dundee was my library assistant. I'm just so used to her being here.
Why does your face register interference?
You mean, why am I sad?
Sad.
Yes, because I miss Dundee and my other friends.
Do not have such concern. Lidar and I will find the card catalog.
Abacus, this must be the card catalog.
Look at these little drawers with letters on them.
Let's see. A through AG, AH through BN, BO through CH.
It's in alphabetical order again.
The Earthling's favorite system of ordering.
Let us look for the S's.
P, Q, R. Here it is, S.
Okay, SA through SQ. This must be it. See, the dash means all the letters in between. I comes in between A and Q in the alphabet.
Oh, I see how they alphabetize by the first letter in the word, and then they alphabetize using the second letter in the word.
Look at all these cards. They're in alphabetical order, too.
Is there one that says Singing River Valley? Yes, here it is.
This must be the guide card Miss Bookhart mentioned.
So he must be in this vicinity. Now, we need to find a book about the Singing River area.
Miss Bookhart, we found the card catalog.
Thank you. You are as speedy as Dundee. Yes, here's the guide card, Singing River Valley. And here's the subject card, Singing River Valley, Description and Travel, Guidebooks. This is a subject card. The first line of information is the subject, Singing River Valley, Description and Travel, Guidebooks. Collier, John. The author's name is John Collier. The title of the book we need, A Recreational Guide to the Singing River Valley.
Look, this book has maps and diagrams, too. Illis by T.R. Long.
That is an abbreviation for the word illustrations. T.R. Long is the illustrator. It was published recently, too. 2122 by the Southeast Publishing Company in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, I guess it's not really recent. 101 years ago, and Atlanta's been evacuated. But it's the best we can do under the circumstances. Okay, what's the call number? Oh, no, it's all smudged. It's impossible to read.
Call number?
We need the call number to find this book, A Recreational Guide to the Singing River Valley.
The book is not in alphabetical order by the author's name on the shelf?
Oh, no. Nonfiction books are shelved according to a number system, the Dewey Decimal System.
Then the call numbers on these cards tell you where to find the books.
That's exactly what they are for.
How will we be able to help Father? We can't read this call number. We can't find the book we need.
Now we know the title and author of the book. We'll try the title card or the author card.
The what cards?
Go get the title card for this book, and the author card, too, just in case.
You go, Abacus.
Yes, Miss Bookhart, come, Lidar.
Now, are there any questions?
Elder Tesla, you say we are under siege. Let us prepare a counterattack.
I know these are trying times, Reset. But our best weapon is the power of our minds.
But we must have some defense.
Our defense will be based upon reason, resolve, and knowledge.
They ought to be getting desperate now. Pretty soon, we can get anything we want from them. we can make them leave. We can have Earth all to ourselves.
All to myself, Vera. All to myself.
Sure, boss. That's what I meant.
But what is a title card or an author card?
I'm not sure.
Let's go ask her.
No, Lidar, we don't have time. She expects us to find them, and we will.
Well, the title of the book we seek is A Recreational Guide to the Singing River Valley.
And she said to drop the first word A and look under R for recreational. Here is the drawer which contains the words beginning with R-E.
How do you know?
Because R comes after Q in the alphabet, and R-E comes before R-Y.
You're right. Here are the cards with the word recreation, and here's recreational guide.
Here's a card almost exactly like the one we found before. All
the information is the same.
We can read this call number, 917.6212 over COL.
A Recreational Guide to the Singing River Valley by John Collier. Illustrations by T.R. Long.
Perhaps this is the title card.
Yes, the first line is the title, and it is filed alphabetically in the card catalog by the title rather than the subject. Now, let's find the author card.
Here it is.
What are you looking for?
Collier. Collier. The author's last name. Yes, here it is on the first line.
On the author card, the author's name is on the first line. On the title card, the title is on the first line. And look, both cards have the same numbers and letters in the upper left-hand corner.
That's the card number. It tells us where to find the book on the shelves.
Okay, here are the 800s. Now we're looking for the 900s.
Here is 913.031.
Good, it must be nearby. Let's keep looking and find 917.6212 over COL. Here it is. 917.6212 over C. Sometimes they only use the first letter of the author's last name. A Recreational Guide to the Singing River Valley by John Collier. Hurry, it's your father.
From what you have told us, we have determined that you are at the star-set side of the Singing River.
There were campsites and cabins along that side of the river, and a wildlife refuge that should give your father shelter and keep him well hidden from the Wipers.
Do you see the old tower near the transmitter site from your position, Father?
Yes.
Our calculations show that you must proceed away from the tower in the direction of the star rise.
About 1 day's journey on foot until you reach the wildlife refuge.
On foot. My foot is injured. I will not be proceeding at a rapid pace. I must go. I will try to communicate again soon.
There is danger out there. I wish I could be there to help him.
We can help him here, with the information in these books that he needs. We need to keep track of him on this map. I was just thinking. There were farms in that area. If they were still there, that could be a help.
Horse farms?
What is a horse?
What's a horse? You've never seen a horse? Well, go look the subject up. We have some excellent books about horses in here. If you don't find the subject under horses, look under domestic animals. Sometimes you have to think of a similar subject or a broader topic that your subject falls in and look that up.
Is this information in the computer the same as you have told the others?
You found the computer instructions I left 100 years ago.
I need to know how to use the card catalog to find information Father may need. I will execute this program immediately and know the card catalog.
Knowing the name for something is not the same as knowing how to use it. For instance, what is the ordering system used in the card catalog?
The alphabet.
The cards are in alphabetical order, and the drawer labels show you the letters included in each drawer. Every nonfiction book in the library has 3 separate catalog cards.
A subject card, a title card, and an author card. But how are they different from one another?
The subject card is alphabetized by the subject heading on the first line. The title card is in the card catalog according to the first word of the book's title, unless that word is a, or the, or an.
One drops those when one looks up the title card.
Right. And the author card is alphabetized by the author's last name on the first line.
Then do all the cards have the same information?
Yes. The title, the author, the subject, and a brief description of what the book is about.
Is that all?
Not quite. The publisher and where and when the book was published. And the most essential item, if you want to find the book.
The call number. One must have the call number to locate the book on the shelf.
Exactly.
Abakas, Aphos, this is your father.
Father, how are you?
I see beasts with long heads and graceful necks with long manes. Each stands on 4 powerful legs. I have never seen these before. Do you know what they are?
Horses? Father, I believe you've just seen horses.
Horses? Fantastic. I wonder if you could catch one to ride. No, those horses are wild by now. It's been 100 years since anyone's been near them.
But what if they belong to Wipers?
I don't think they could. The Wipers always had some strange superstitions about horses.
Superstitions? Like what?
I don't remember what exactly, but they were always acting peculiarly about horses. Why not look in the card catalog under Wiper Superstitions? The Wiper drawer is right over here. Here's the W drawer.
Wipers Superstitions. Here it is. Okay, the card says Wipers Superstitions. See also Wipers, Myths, Legends, and Folklore.
Well, that's a cross-reference card. It refers you to other subjects where there's more information about the topic. Look up Wipers, Myths, Legends, and Folklore.
Oh, good. There's a card about Wipers, Myths, and Legends. The title is History of Wipers on Earth, Volume 3. The call number is 909.8/B. I'll go find it.
Don't bother, Abakas. You won't be able to find that book.
Oh, I'm sure I can find it.
No, that's one of the 2 books you found and took back to your base. That book is at your base.